Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have received this parcel from 3D Things and this is a collaboration. So basically this is something which is made from a 3D printer. Yes, you heard it right. So 3D printer technology is a new technology and also this is not very common in India, and basically it is a technology where we can print objects with that printer, and it takes a lot of time. Basically it depends upon the object that how much time it takes. So are you ready to see that what has come for us? So this is a dinosaur and we have to take this out and we have to make a dinosaur with it. And also we have, and this is something which I have been waiting for so long, and this is a Peacock napkin holder, and it can hold not only napkins, you can keep your visiting cards in it, and it looks so beautiful. You can just imagine you are holding something which is completely made by a machine. It is made from a printer, and we can also feel the texture. The texture is also very cool. And thank you so much for sending this little Avenger keychains. So these Avenger pendants you can use anywhere. And look at the details. Means if I was not known about it that it is made from 3D printer, I think I would not be able to guess that this is actually made from that. So how cool is that, right? I will give the link in description. You can easily check out 3D Things page, and they make really amazing things. And this is a dinosaur. I have to assemble this and make a dinosaur out of it. So let's try. I remember making different Pokemons with the cards we used to get in Cheetos. So this is also made from the printer only. So we have to just take it out and we can assemble. You can actually order anything from 3D Things. It is whether it is a keychain or whether it is a pendant or even a litho pen. And also when I was doing this collaboration, I was like, wow, this is made from a 3D printer. I have seen 3D printers, not in person, but I have seen different videos of that, and I always wanted to have something made out of it. So I think my wish come true, and we can actually fix this and we can assemble a dinosaur out of it. And it is actually easy and fun thing to do. You can also get something like this if you have if any of you are in school or you want to order for it for your kids, you can order something like that. So it will take some time to figure me out, so let's quickly do this. And I also thank you so much guys that you have been commenting on our videos, and I am replying all the comments. And thank you so much 3D Things for collaborating with me. I'm sure my subscribers will love to buy 3D Things. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you loved the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Do follow 3D Things on the Instagram page, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you so much and bye bye.